Hey there, can you prove you're a true football enthusiast? Time to tackle some high-level soccer trivia. First up, who netted the quickest hat-trick in Premier League history? Was it Sadio Mane, Robbie Fowler, or Sergio Aguero? 3, 2, 1, time's up. It was indeed Sadio Mane. Next, which footballer holds the record for the most goals scored in the FIFA World Cup? Miroslav Klose, Ronaldo Nazario, or Gerd Müller? 3, 2, 1, time's up. And the answer is Miroslav Klose. Final question. Who's the youngest player to score in a UEFA Champions League final? Is it Raul, Patrick Kluivert, or Lionel Messi? 3, 2, 1. Time's up. It's Patrick Kluivert. So how did you do? Post your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share and subscribe.